Everyone, this is me Isha Khan. Assalamu alaikum, Om Shanti. I hope you guys are doing great. And today again I was thinking, what is life? Because this is, I think, my basic nature, just to keep on finding the answer to this beautiful question, that what are we actually here for? So again one answer came to my mind, that basically we are here to cooperate and contribute. The basic purpose of our life, or what the life is actually meant for, is that how can we cooperate, how much we can cooperate, and what all we can contribute to this world to make it a beautiful place. Though it is already very beautiful, but how can we make it better and better? So like Edison sir has given the bulb to us, so he has given his contribution. So how we are contributing to it, so that is our basic thing, that is our fundamental thing. Doesn't matter how you are contributing, in which way you are contributing, but it should be a positive one. Like we cannot nurture the children of all or the whole world, but like Shushmita Sen is nurturing 2 kids, so she is contributing in her way. And like again I am a teacher, so I am teaching the children, I am trying to contribute in this way. Somebody is a leader of a company or a school or a whatever, and they are leading the people and they are supervising them, they are contributing in that way. A mother is nurturing her kids, she is contributing in that way. A father is trying to do something for his kids and for his company or his parents, and he is trying to contribute in that way. Suppose we are doing just a small job of cleaning a place, suppose we are on that job also, then also we are contributing to the world. So we cannot do everything, but something or the other with a feeling of contribution, like not just for the salary, not just for my sake or my status or whatever, just to contribute to this world. It does not mean you have to do something very very great or something very very big inventions or discoveries. I think just if we can contribute a bit to make this world a better place, if we can change one life, if we can change one thought, if we can help someone, if we can make somebody smile, even one person, that is our contribution actually, and that is our actual purpose. It's not like that we have to be something out of the way or something out of the box, or very very simple things. Like suppose for me, अगर टैप इज़ ओपन, नल बह रहा है, तो यू शुड उस नल को बंद कर दीजिए. That is a contribution. You are trying to save the water, because we all are interconnected in this universe. Whatever one person gives, he just doesn't give to one person or someone, he is giving to the universe. So we are contributing to the universe, to this world. So try to contribute as much as you can. Start from a smile, make someone smile today, and that's a contribution. आपने एक इंसान को मुस्कुराने की वजह दी, उसको मतलब उसको खुश किया, उसका मूड अच्छा हुआ, उसने अपने आगे 2 को और खुश किया, तो आपने कितने लोगों को कंट्रीब्यूट कर दिया, 2 ने और 2 को खुश किया. सो वी आर हियर टू कंट्रीब्यूट इन वट एवर वे वी कैन. एंड सेकेंडली, कोऑपरेट. वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू रन अ रेस, पहले मैं ये कर लूँ, मैं आगे यहाँ चला जाऊँ, मैं ये काम हो जाए मेरा. वी शुड ट्राई टू कोऑपरेट ईच अदर. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, एट द एंड ऑफ द लाइफ, बट आई एक्चुअली थिंक nobody remembers you what you have done, what you were actually. like आप क्या थे, आप DM थे, आप CM थे, आप PM थे, आप ये थे, वो थे, आप डॉक्टर थे, इंजीनियर थे, whatever. But actually people remember how you treated them. So try to treat people in a beautiful way. कभी कभी आपको इसमें लॉस भी हो जाएगा, no problem at all. But try to treat them nicely, gently, the way you want to be treated yourself, the way you want the people to treat you, the language you want them to speak to you, the style you want them to behave with you. That way only you should treat the other people, because that they will never forget. Suppose when I went to Kashmir, the girls of Kashmir, teachers, all my people around me, they treated me like a princess, and I can never forget that. And because of that thing, that memory, that thing is still in my mind, and I cannot forget. Similarly, some students reciprocated the love very nicely. That treatment which they gave me is amazing, and I cannot forget that. So we should basically focus on two words according to me: cooperate and contribute. Try to contribute as much as you can in whatever way you can, and try to cooperate with everyone. Like Mother Teresa have cooperated with everyone and contributed whatever she had. The most beautiful thing, love. She gave a whole way to everyone by her love. So this was me, Isha Khan, and thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day. I hope आपको मेरी बात कुछ अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक कीजिएगा. Thank you.